Welcome to my kitchen, everyone. I'm excited to share a little bit of Caribbean magic with you today. Let's start with a scripture. Taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the one who takes refuge in him. Psalm 34:8. And a positive quote, cooking is love made visible. Today we're making Caribbean green seasoning with fresh garden herbs. This seasoning is a staple in Caribbean cooking and adds amazing flavor to just about any dish. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, the ingredients. You'll need fresh thyme, basil, chive, parsley, and pimento. Simple, right? Let's get prepping. Start by washing all your herbs thoroughly. We want them squeaky clean. Now grab a bunch of thyme. It's one of the main flavors here. Strip the leaves from the stems and toss them into a blender. Next, take a handful of fresh basil leaves. This will give our seasoning a sweet aromatic kick. Add them to the blender too. Chives are up next. These little guys add a subtle onion-like flavor without overpowering the mix. Chop them roughly and, you guessed it, into the blender they go. Now for the parsley. Fresh and vibrant, parsley brings a nice peppery taste. Roughly chop a handful and add it in. Finally, pimento. These are basically allspice berries and they give our seasoning that quintessential Caribbean taste. Add a few to the blender. Time to blend. Add a splash of water or oil to help everything blend smoothly. Give it a whiz until it's a nice, smooth paste. And voila! You've got yourself some heavenly Caribbean green seasoning. Now, for a little bonus tip. To store your seasoning long term, pour it into ice cube trays. Pop them in the freezer, and once they're solid, transfer the cubes into a freezer bag. This way, you've got pre-measured portions ready to go whenever you need them. Alternatively, you can store the seasoning in a jar in the fridge if you plan to use it within a week. And there you have it, a simple, fresh and flavorful Caribbean green seasoning, using herbs straight from your garden. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, the best meals are made with love. Until next time, happy cooking.